Zero Shorts feed. You upload a short video that gets 1,000 views and then freezes. You upload your next shorts, then this happened. And it happened again and again with you that you cannot figure out what's going on. Well, in this video, I will tell you about the dark secret of Zero Shorts feed. If you only want 200 or 300 views, then skip the video. This video is only for those who want million views on short video. So try to catch every point of the video. First, start with 5 faults that you make to create short video. Number 1, ratio problem. First, look at those shorts on the left. Some of those shorts get 1 billion views. And look at the right side video. They got only a few views. Did you catch the difference? Well, the proper short video ratio is 9:16. You normally go to any video editor and select 9:16 frame. But when you set any photo or video in that frame, you keep some blank space from the frame like this. Don't keep blank any part of the frame. If you do this, YouTube sometimes doesn't consider those types of videos as shorts, so the YouTube algorithm simply doesn't send the shorts to feed. Number 2 is deleting videos. Delete your video is the closure to delete YouTube channel. If you frequently delete your video, it has a very bad impact on the YouTube algorithm. Then YouTube suddenly stops sending your video in the feed, so don't delete videos, no matter how bad it performs. Number 3. Wrong title and description. Sometimes you spam in the title. You put too many hashtags in the title, which is spam for YouTube. The title must be catchy and short. You must use only hashtag shorts. Don't use another hashtag in the title. Many of you keep blank in the description. Don't do this. Write something about the video you upload, and you can put tags and keywords in the description as much as you want. When you put enough keywords and tags in the description, your video will be found in the search results. In the tag section, you can put 3 or 4 tags, because now YouTube don't care too much about those tags. You don't have any category. The first day you upload a funny video, the second day you upload a gaming video, and the third day you upload a fact video. This way, YouTube doesn't understand who is your actual audience. Sometimes in short videos, YouTube sends your shorts to the wrong audience. And when they don't respond well, next time YouTube stops sending your shorts in feed. So, make videos in only one category. Number 5, watch your own video or subscriber your relative and friends. Some YouTubers might say to use VPN and watch your shorts 3 or 4 times. Someone said to take other phones and go far from home and watch your shorts video to give an initial boost. Don't do this unnecessary effort. Give effort to making good YouTube shorts. In shorts, it depends on YouTube and which video it sends in the feed, because here people don't choose which shorts they will watch. Another mistake you make is that request friends and family to subscribe to your channel. But the reality is most of them are not the true audience of your channel. Suppose your mom subscribes to your channel and you upload gaming videos, but your mom likes cooking videos and hates gameplay, ha 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 ha. Now, if you made these 5 mistakes and repeatedly get 0 view in shorts, then pause uploading video for 1 week. After 1 week, upload your short video. And after 48 hours, upload your next short. Make sure to take a gap of 48 hours for each short. Continue this process for 1 month. If you still get 0 view, leave that channel and make another channel with a new Gmail ID. And don't make mistakes again. You might be wondering, I've done everything right, but why am I still getting 0 views? Well, let me share something that might surprise you. This comes from an ex-YouTube employee. It's possible. If you're a really small channel, and it may take a little bit of time for you to get that seed audience and ramp it. When you're just starting out and have a low subscriber count, YouTube doesn't immediately make your shorts go viral. If your subscribers are below a certain threshold, YouTube limits how many people see your videos each month. For example, if you have around 200 subscribers, YouTube might show your shorts to 100K or 200K people. It varies. But here's the thing. As your subscriber count grows, YouTube gradually increases that number. Imagine this. You post 10 shorts in a month, and 5 of them hit 100K views each. You've now reached the cap that YouTube sets for your channel that month. What happens next? If you upload another short, YouTube might not push it out as much, simply because you've already hit your monthly limit. But don't be discouraged. The following month, YouTube will likely increase the reach of your videos, allowing you to gain more views. This is a gradual process. YouTube wants to see if you're truly committed, testing your perseverance. Are you here for the long haul, or will you give up after a few months? If you're skeptical, I have a challenge for you. Try finding a channel with 1 million views, but fewer than 1,000 subscribers. It's rare, if not impossible, so take your time. Focus on creating shorts that truly resonate with your audience, that provide real value. It's a journey, and every step counts. And if you found this helpful, please subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. Your support means the world to me. See you in the next video.